Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Alright, some Cinestill 400D, D for dynamic film from 8story3.com. Right, I have one roll in 120 format and another roll in 35mm. They also give me some stickers. Alright, do not x-ray sticker, a cameraman sticker, I shoot film, another I shoot film sticker, and no fresh allowed sticker. Right, so you can check them out, 8story3.com, if you are interested in getting some physical camera or other film. I'm now going to take a walk at one of the wet market in Ang Mo Kio. So today I'll be using my Yashica Mat 124, and inside there I loaded a roll of Cinestill 400D, D for dynamics. So I'd like to thank 8story3 for sending me this roll. Okay, so I have reached the market. Right. Sunday morning, so it's a bit crowded, a lot of human activities. Right. But overall, yes, you can see the sky. It's a gloomy day and probably will rain in the later part of the day. But for now, we'll make use of whatever light we have to do the shooting. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please like it, share it, and finally do subscribe to my channel, and I see you at my next video. Take care. Bye.